Right now, business credit is available for you and your business. There's no personal credit check required, and you can easily obtain over $50,000 in approvals in less than 6 months. Plus, there's no personal guarantee required to qualify. We can help you quickly establish an excellent business credit score. Your business credit score is only based on one factor: how you pay your bills. If you pay your bills on time, you will instantly establish an excellent credit score. We help you set up credit accounts with vendors who report to the appropriate business credit reporting agencies. Once you make a small purchase using your new credit accounts, they then report the accounts as paid as agreed. Once the account is reported as paid as agreed, you instantly have an excellent business credit score established. Using your excellent score, we then help you get approved for large amounts of real, usable credit with major retailers and with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Some of the merchants you'll have access to include Chevron, Staples, Home Depot, Lowe's, OfficeMax, Walmart, and hundreds more. Through your own personal business funding suite, you will quickly establish an excellent business credit score and then leverage that score to get approved for over $50,000 in business credit for you and your business. And business credit is one of over 30 funding products available through our funding suite. You'll also have access to over 400 direct financing sources to help you secure business funding. Right now, business credit is available for you. Contact us today to learn more.